Welcome to my channel, Online Gainers TV. Today, my first lesson is finding the greatest common factor, or GCF. Watch and learn because these skills is very important in reducing fraction sufficiently. In this lesson, let us review finding prime factorization between two or more numbers. Second, let us find the greatest common factor, or GCF. The greatest common factor is the biggest number that divides evenly into each number in a given set of numbers. Let's have a quick review finding the prime factors of 8 using factor 3. 8 can be factored by 4 and 2. 2 is a prime number, so I circle it. 4 is not a prime number, and it can be factored by 2 times 2. 2 is prime number, so I circle it. So this means that 2 times 2 times 2 is equals to 8. Another example is 12. 12 can be factored by 4 and 3. 3 is a prime number, so I circle it. 4 is not a prime number, and it can be factored by 2 times 2. 2 is a prime number, so I circle it. It means that the prime factors of 12 is 2 times 2 times 3 is equals to 12. As we can see, 12 is equals to 2 times 2 times 3. Now if you need further review, go back to the lesson about prime factorization. Suppose we are asked to find the greatest common factor, or GCF, between 8 and 12. We could easily guess the factors that are in common, but it's better to use the best strategy. Using the factor 3, we solve at 8 is equals to 2 times 2 times 2, and 12 is equals to 2 times 2 times 3. Remember that our lesson is finding the greatest common factor. So, we look the common factor between 8 and 12. As we can see, there are two sets of common factor. Let's circle the first set. 2 is common. We have another set. I circle this. 2 is also common. Is there another set of common numbers? So no. As we can see, there are only 2 sets of common factors. The GCF, or the greatest common factor, is the product of number in common. Now in this case, 2 times 2 is equals to 4. So meaning, the GCF of 8 and 12 is equals to 4. Amazing! Give the greatest common factor of 24 and 18. Prime factors of 24, 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. The prime factors of 18, 2 times 3 times 3. As we can see, 2 are a set of common numbers, so I circle it. There is another set of common number. 3 is a set of common numbers, so I circle it. Now again, greatest common factor is the product of number in common. So 3 times 2 is equals to 6. So the GCF of 24 and 18 is 6. In solving a complicated example, the process is also the same. So let us consider 18, 21, and 24. The prime factors of 18 is equals to 2 times 3 times 3. 21 is equals to 3 times 7. 24 is equals to 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. So to get the common factor, find the factors that are in common. So here, 3 are in common. So 3 is the greatest common factor of 18, 21, and 24. What do you have learned in our lesson? How to find the prime factors. Finding the factors in common. And the GCF is essential skills in reducing of fraction.